Did you know you can claim interest on student loans while filing taxes in Canada? It's an intriguing fact, isn't it? But how does it work? Let's dive into it through a real-life example. Let's consider the story of Yona, a 24-year-old Canadian citizen. Yona is a hardworking individual who earns a net income of $41,000. Like many young adults, she took out a student loan to fund her higher education. Over the past year, Yona paid $950 towards her federal student loan. Now, the big question here is, can Yona claim this interest on her student loan while filing her taxes? And the answer is yes. Yona can claim the aid on her student loan. But how is this possible? Well, both the federal and most provincial governments in Canada offer this benefit to students in financial need. They acknowledge the fact that higher education is a significant investment and hence provide this tax relief. This benefit is available to all citizens, permanent residents, and protected persons who meet course requirements and whose student loans fall under the Canada Student Loans Program or a provincial student loan program. The interest paid on these loans can be claimed on the current year's tax return or carried forward to apply to any of the next 5 years' returns. Now you might wonder where to report this on your tax return. Good question. This amount is deductible on line 31900 of Schedule 1. But remember, this credit cannot be transferred. So in Yona's case, she can't transfer the amount to her parents. To summarize, the key points about claiming interest on student loans in Canada are: 1. The student loan must be under the Canada Student Loans Program or a provincial student loan program. 2. Interest paid on student loans can be claimed on the current year's tax return, or you can add the previous 5 years' interest. 3. The amount is deductible on line 31900 of Schedule 1. 4. The credit cannot be transferred. It's an interesting way the Canadian government supports its citizens in their pursuit of higher education, isn't it? So, if you're a student or a recent graduate with a student loan, don't forget to claim the interest on your student loan while filing your taxes. It could make a significant difference.